Gentiles' multidimensional taxonomy is a classification system of motor skills that takes into account the environmental context in which the person performs the skill and the function of the action characterizing the skill. It also refers to the intertrial variability in which action can take place. This classification also distinguishes whether or not an object is being used or whether or not the person is moving. Gentiles' taxonomy is broken down into two main components. The first one is the context the action is performed, which are the regulatory conditions, and the second component is the action requirements of the skill itself.
Within the regulatory condition is the intertrial variability. This is whether or not the action is fixed or changes within each trial. Within the action requirements of the skill lies three parts: body movement, body stability, and object manipulation. Body movement refers to whether the performer of action changes location during the skill. Body stability is whether or not the body stability is required during the action. Object manipulation refers to whether or not the action requires usage of an item to complete the goal. Category 1 states the regulatory conditions are stationary and fixed, which means the environment is stable with no body transport or object manipulation, and there is no intertrial variability.
Category 6 states the regulatory conditions are stationary and variable, which means the environment is stable, there is not any body movement, there is object manipulation, and there is intertrial variability.
Can I go?
Yeah. Category 11 states the regulatory conditions are moving and fixed, which means the environment is changing, there is body transportation, no object manipulation, and there is not any intertrial variability. Category 16 states the regulatory conditions are moving and variable, meaning the environment is changing, there is body transportation and object manipulation, and there is also intertrial variability.